now we'll discuss the question number 71. The enthalpy of combustion of methane at 25 degrees Celsius is 890 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so methane, the enthalpy of combustion 890 kilojoule. Now the heat liberated when 3.2 gram of ethane, sorry, 3.2 gram of methane burn into air. So see this one. So 890 kilojoule, so 16 gram. 16 gram of methane gives 890 kilojoule. So 3.2 gram of methane gives how much of enthalpy? So 890 by molecular weight is 16 in multiplied by 3.2 gram. Okay. So the value is approximately 20. Right. Now this value, so it's not so 3.2 16, right. Now see this one, the value is 178 kilojoule. Now the question number 72. The volume of a gas increases 500 cc. 500 cc means 0.5 liter to a gas 300 cc. 300 cc means 0.3 liter. So gas is compressed by an average pressure 0.6 atmosphere. So the pressure is 0.6 atmosphere. During the process 10 joule of heat is liberated. The change in internal energy. Okay. So W is equal to P delta V. So pressure is 0.6. Delta V is equal to V2 minus V, 0.5 minus 0.3. So 0.12. Work is 0.12. So we need to convert into 0.12 liter and pressure is atmosphere. So liter atmosphere convert into joule. So we need to multiply with this 101.32. So the value is 0.12 into 101.3. So multiply this value, this liter atmosphere converts into joules. Okay, that's why we need to add 101.3 joule. So 1 liter atmosphere is equal to 101.3 joules. Now see this one. So 2.16 joules. Now the question number 73. 1 mole of an ideal gas is compressed isothermally and reversibly. So the pressure of the value is 2 atmosphere to 10. The delta U and Q are. So this delta U value is 0. Okay. So Y means the value is isothermal. Isothermal and reversible process means delta U is 0. And see this W. W is equal to 2.303 nRT log, the value is P2 by P1. So 2.303, N means 1 mole, R means 2, temperature is 298 and log 5. Log 5 is 0.7, log 4 0.60, 0.77. The value is, so multiply with this one, 965.84. W is equal to, so we can say this Q is equal to minus W, right. So Q is equal to minus W. What is the value of Q? Q is equal to minus 965.84. So the answer is 4. So the question number 73 answer is 4. Now the question number 74. The heat of transition, the heat evolved for the absorbed substance is converted from, so one allotropic form into another allotropic form. The question number 74 answer is 1. Question number 75. Beckmann thermometer is used to measure at low temperature. So question answer is 1. The question number 76. The neutralization reaction will take place, enthalpy is, so previously we discussed the same question. So here is the enthalpy N2O4 to 58.4 to 176.7 kilojoule. Okay. So the free energy change of the reaction is equal to 5.39 kilojoule. Now the question number 77. The neutralization takes place H plus OH minus the heat of neutralization complete to of H2SO4 by base is the value is 13.7 also. So because of 2 H plus ions, value is 13.7 kilo calorie. Now the question number 78. Now see this question number 78. Amount of heat measured for a reaction in bomb calorimeter, which is delta E. Now the question number 79. For an endothermic reaction, delta H represents the enthalpy of kilojoule per mole for the value of energy of activation. So see this reaction. So the reactants, the products, okay. So the enthalpy, so this one is called as energy of activation, okay. So the enthalpy is, so this one is exothermic. So the enthalpy which has, endothermic. So here enthalpy of activation is greater than delta H. So the answer is 2. Question number 80. 8 gram of CH4 completely burned in air, the number of moles of water produced. So this one, CH4 reacts with O2. It forms CO2 plus H2O. How many moles of hydrogen? So here it is 4 hydrogens, 2 H2O. So 2 O2. So 1 mole of CH4 on heat with 2 mole of O2, it gives 2 mole of H2O. So how many moles of H2O? There are 2 moles of H2O is produced. Now the question number 81. So that is based on statement question. So mass and volume are extensive properties. Mass by volume is also extensive properties. So any properties, mass and volume, those two are extensive. But statement 2 also correct. Here the statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Okay, statement 1 and 2 both are true. Statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. The question number 82. So for H2O liquid into H2O gas, pressure at 1 atmosphere, delta G is 0. So H2O liquid at 373 Kelvin. So the reaction is H2O liquid which is equilibrium with H2O gas. If at 0 degree Celsius, H2O liquid is equilibrium with H2O solid. Okay. So here they given the particular temperature which is at 373 Kelvin. Now the question number 83. Which of the following reactions is not exothermic? Okay. So the gaseous reaction, which is a carbon reacts with sulfur, which forms carbon disulfide. Okay, so this is not this reaction is not exothermic. The others are highly exothermic in nature. Now the question number 84. Absorption of gases on solid surface. So the entropy will increase or decrease. Absorption of gas, which is which has more randomness, which absorbed which metal. Okay, so the entropy will decrease. Okay, so which absorption takes place, entropy will decrease. So the answer is entropy decreases. Now the question number 85. So the value of the formation of SiO2 and MgO. So the values are they given. The heat formations, the heat of the reaction. So 2 Mg reacts with SiO2. It gives 2 mole of MgO plus Si. So the value is the products which are 2 into minus 34.7. So minus minus of the magnesium oxide values. So reactants minus products. The formation means the reactants minus products. So minus 48.4. So the value which is minus 21 kilojoule. So we can say that 2 enthalpy, okay, enthalpy of MgO is equal to minus enthalpy of SiO2. So the answer is minus 21.1 kilojoule, minus 21.1 kilojoule. So because of 2 mole of MgO which gives 1 mole of SiO2. So due to this reasons 2 mole of MgO gives 1 mole of SiO2 will be equal. Okay, so the answer is 21.1 kilojoule. Now the question number 86. The enthalpy of formation of methane carbon reacts with 2 mole of hydrogen gives CH4. At constant pressure 18,500 calorie at 25 degrees Celsius. The heat formation of the reaction at constant volume. Delta H is equal to delta U plus delta Ng into RT. Delta H already they given 18,500. So we need to find out delta U plus delta Ng, 1 mole number of moles of gases and products which are 2, so which is 298. So the temperature is 298. Okay, the delta U value is 19096 calorie. Okay, now so the question number 87. Now for this question 87, for the reaction A plus 2B gives C plus D. The reaction, so delta H is equal to delta U plus delta Ng RT. So what is the value of delta U is equal to 19 plus 2 into 2 into 10 power minus 3 into 298. So the value of temperature. So when you simplify this one you will get 21.213 kilocalorie. So initially you will get value of, in the case of calorie we need to convert into kilocalorie. Now the question is question number 88. The neutralization takes place which is highest. So when neutralization takes place, equal number of acids and bases. Okay, strong acid and strong base which gives neutral. So here it is strong acid is HCl, strong base is KOH. So the neutralization takes place, the answer is 1. Now the question number 89 is based on statement 1. An exothermic reaction non-spontaneous at high temperature may become to spontaneous at low temperature. Now yes, so this statement is correct. At the non-spontaneous at high temperature become spontaneous at low temperature is the correct one. Okay, the next one, with a decrease in temperature randomness decreases. Statement 1 and 2 both are correct, but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. So the answer is 1. Now the question number 90. So which of the in isothermal expansion of gas? Okay, so isothermal expansion means delta U is equal to 0, delta H is equal to delta U. So here delta H also 0. So ideal gas has constant volume. So here which are unrelated means the enthalpy and delta H and energy. Okay, so E. So which are unrelated. So the answer is 1. E and H are unrelated. Okay, I hope based on this answer key discussion you clear about this doubt. So if you have any doubts, so kindly inbox me. So for the next session, we'll discuss the another topic. So thank you.